We're gonna do another demolition project. This time we're in Jackson, South Carolina. Gonna do this little 2-car garage slash auto shop. Got a little overhang right here. We're gonna try to reclaim some of these boards. I got a friend that wants to use all those 2x6s. We also have some 2x6 ceiling joists right there. He's gonna try to get cinder block building. It's got a tin roof on it. May try and recycle some of that tin. Depends on how easy it comes off. We're using an excavator and a skid steer, a couple of roll-offs. They try to recycle some of these blocks in the recycled concrete. Anyway, this project probably take us about a day and a half. This kind of demo you need, or any other kind of mobile home, shed, deck, porches, whatever, give us a call. 803-599-4329. Fall Line Reliable Services.